Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Slack to your desktop. Salesforce has made it well known that since acquiring Slack, that it was going to rebuild all of its Salesforce products to be Slack first. So I figured it'd be beneficial to start creating some Slack content and create a Slack playlist for this YouTube channel. So to download Slack, I'm going to provide the link in the description below. But if you just navigate from slack.com under products, you can click on download Slack. Slack for Windows. I believe that if you're operating on a Mac, that it'll allow you to download the iOS version of this. So I'm just going to click download. So I actually do have an account already, but instead of typing my email in, I'm just going to click on the download. So after Slack has been installed to your desktop, it's going to ask you to sign into Slack. If you're new to Slack and you don't currently have an account, you would click on this create a new workspace. And then from here, you would enter an email. I'm just going to sign into Slack. So as you can see, cloud qualified, I can just open in Slack. This is what's called a workspace. I'll go over workspaces in future videos. I'm just going to open in Slack. It'll redirect to Slack. And that's it. Once you've got to this point, you've installed Slack onto your desktop, and now you'll be ready to learn more about the platform. I myself am currently studying for the Slack admin exam. So as I get through the material, I'm going to start putting out more content around how you can learn Slack. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like, and please subscribe if you haven't already so you'll be notified when I put out future content. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.